I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by charging the lightning throw immediately. Hold R2 and watch for blue sparks that indicate full charge. While charging, use the left stick to square your aim. Facing the enemy within roughly 10 meters increases hit probability. Once the charge hits the threshold, press L1 plus circle to initiate the throw sequence. This combines your charge state with a context action. You do this because precision and timing scale damage and trigger the cinematic hit window for guaranteed stagger. After initiating, you must manage timing. Release R2 at the first bright flash to lock the optimal damage multiplier. Holding past the second flash reduces control. Once released, the game often gives a brief slow-motion window. Use the right stick to fine-tune trajectory and keep the reticle on the target. Make sure to press square during the follow-up prompt to apply an immediate shock that chains into stun, because that follow-up secures extra damage and opens enemies for combos. To finish, close with a directional dash plus triangle within 3 seconds to trigger the burst finish and reclaim momentum. This ensures you convert the throw into a full combo. If your lightning throw misses, cancel immediately with circle and reset your stance to avoid being punished. Recovering quickly prevents follow-up attacks. If inputs feel unreliable, check controller dead zone and recalibrate in Ps5 settings, since hardware drift or binding issues often cause failed charges and aim problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.